Good morning, students. Now we had finished clauses from your grammar textbook last time. Let us start with lesson 18, that is punctuation and capital letters. Why punctuation marks? Punctuation is nothing but writing your speech in a definite format, that is starting new sentences with capital letters and putting a full stop at the end of the sentence, putting commas wherever it is necessary, putting inverted commas wherever that is necessary. So all these things are called punctuation marks, right? So let us study where, when and where you should put these marks. Why punctuation marks? Marks of punctuation bring clarity to our writing. Whenever you speak certain things, you tend to pause at some places, right? But वही speech जब आप लिखने जाते हो तो how will you show that the speaker had paused at this moment? That is through a comma or a full stop, right? So whenever you read something, after a full stop you tend to pause for some time. After a comma you take a small pause, right? So that gives you a better idea of how the speech is written, right? So all these punctuation marks are important in writing a given speech. Without them we might even misunderstand the meaning the writer wants to convey, right? If those punctuation marks are not properly mentioned, then the meaning of the sentence might change. Look at these words. What are you looking for, Sonali? Right? This is the sentence. What do these words mean? Do they mean this? What are you looking for, Sonali? Or this? What are you looking for, Sonali? So what does it mean? Here is an exclamation mark. So the person is being asked that are you looking for Sonali? In the first sentence, what does it mean? What are you looking for, Sonali? मतलब ये सोनाली को बोला जा रहा है कि तुम क्या ढूंढ रही हो? What are you looking for? And the last one, what are you looking for, Sonali? So again, this question is again asked to some other person other than Sonali, that is that person looking for her? So as and when you change the punctuation mark, आपने question mark यहाँ रखा तो उसका meaning change हो गया, इधर comma रखा तो meaning change हो गया. So that way the way you mark the punctuation marks, the meaning of the sentence changes. Obviously, if the writer had wanted the meaning to be clear, he should not have left out the marks of punctuation. Main marks of punctuation. The main marks of punctuation are full stop, mark of interrogation, that is question mark, mark of exclamation, that is an exclamation mark, commas, semicolon, semicolon is this sign, colon, that is this sign, apostrophe, that is you put it before s, a comma that you put before s to show belonging, quotation marks are inverted commas, dash, hyphen, hyphen is just a small dash, the full stop. Now let us study wherein we should use these different types of punctuation marks. We use a full stop to uh, close a statement or a command. We gave our camera for repairs. That is a statement. Do not press this button, a command. We use a full stop after abbreviations for titles, names, degrees, etc. डिग्रीज और टाइटल्स में एब्रीविएशंस के लिए बीच में हम लोग फुल स्टॉप को यूज़ करते हैं. फॉर एग्जांपल डॉक्टर ए के मोंगा, डॉक्टर अशोक कुमार मोंगा, right? So if we want to say in short, we will say AK Monga. MA is a degree, right? Master of Arts. So we don't always speak Master of Arts. Instead we say M.A. These days, it is common to drop full stops in abbreviations like Mr. and Doctor. Similarly, both UNO or UNO are acceptable. मतलब बीच में फुल स्टॉप लिखा है तो भी एक्सेप्टेबल है, UNO में नहीं लिखा है तो भी इट्स एक्सेप्टेबल. We use a full stop to indicate a decimal fraction. Yes, you must have studied decimal fractions in mathematics. So there also you put a full stop to mark the decimal point. The mark of interrogation, that is question mark. A mark of interrogation is placed at the end of a question. Who is there? Is anybody absent? You came late, didn't you? These are all questions. To mark questions, we use the interrogation mark. Now let us move on to exclamation mark. Exclamation marks are generally used in exclamatory sentences which show strong feeling or emotions in the sentence. The mark of exclamation is placed at the end of an exclamatory sentence, that is a sentence which expresses some sudden or strong emotion, right? That is, how kind of you, what a great effort, help, right? All these are ending in exclamation marks because they show strong feelings. Exercise 1. Now place a full stop, a mark of interrogation or a mark of exclamation wherever necessary. How terrible it must have been for them. Now how terrible shows you some strong feeling, right? So what should it be? It should be an exclamation mark. How terrible it should have been for them. So this we will end in an exclamation mark. Why don't you learn the art of time management? Now this is a question, so this will end in a interrogation mark, that is question mark. Please don't purchase anything expensive for my birthday. Just mark it by a full stop. It's a statement. You are angry with me, aren't you? So you are asking, this is a question tag, aren't you? So it always ends in a question mark. Then have you met Dr. S.R. Singh, MA, PhD, the head of English department? Full stop. Have you met? So this is a question. So it should be an interrogation mark, that is question mark. एंड डॉक्टर के बाद फुल स्टॉप आएगा, एस आर के बाद फुल स्टॉप आएगा, एम के बाद फुल स्टॉप आएगा, देन PhD के बाद फुल स्टॉप आएगा, देन कॉमा आएगा, राइट? PhD एंड कॉमा, हियर ऑल्सो MA एंड कॉमा, द हेड ऑफ द डिपार्टमेंट. Then how handsome Dr. S.D. Sen looked in those days. How handsome did Dr. S.D. Sen looked in those days? It is showing a strong feeling, so it's an exclamation mark at the end of the sentence. डॉक्टर के बाद आपको रखना है तो फुल स्टॉप रख सकते हो, नहीं रखोगे देन ऑल्सो इट्स ओके. व्हाट नास्टी मोमेंट्स, this is also a strong feeling, so it's an exclamation mark. Now let us study how comma is a very versatile punctuation mark. It has been used in many places, at many places. The comma is the shortest pause. It should be used wherever we think we need a pause. The following points should be helpful in understanding the use of the comma. Number 1, the comma is used to separate words in series. All the rooms in this house are small, dark and dingy, right? So these are the three words, small, dark and dingy. So to separate these three words in succession, we use commas. The trains on this route are fast, comfortable and punctual. Same thing. Fast, comfortable and punctual, we'll separate it with commas. It is used to separate phrases in series. Gandhiji was respected by all kinds of people, rich and poor, young and old, high and low. It is used to separate clauses in series. I have a friend who was born in States, who was educated in England, who has traveled all over Europe and who teaches in the school in Muscat, right? So these are different clauses which are being put in the same sentence, so which are being separated by a comma. The comma 2. The comma is used to set off a noun of address. Bobby, you didn't tell me you know Japanese. May I go to the library, ma'am? Now this is a permission. So before ma'am we put a comma here. Here also after Bobby we put a comma because this is being told to someone named Bobby. So we put a comma after that. Bobby को बुला के उसको बोला जा रहा है. So then we put a comma. It is used to separate expressions that are in opposition. The meeting was addressed by R. Chidambaram, the famous scientist. Right? Who is R. Chidambaram? The famous scientist. Pandit Shiv Kumar, the renowned Santur player, was honored by the president. Right? Pandit Shiv Kumar, comma, the renowned Santur player is something which tells you about Pandit Shiv Kumar. So then again we put a comma, was honored by the president. However, one word apposition is usually not separated by a comma. Generally एक word जो आप apposition के लिए use करते हो उसके description के लिए that you do not separate it by a comma. My sister Meera, my sister के बाद comma then Meera भी लिख सकते हैं, that is also correct, but we don't put. My sister Meera came to me last Monday. So here comma is not needed. It is used wherever a brief pause is needed to give clarity to your writing. Being dissatisfied, he resigned his job. We have rented a house in Tagore Park, a newly developed colony. To earn some extra money, she started taking tuitions. The apple juice made from the best apples from Kashmir was delicious, right? The apple juice, kaun sa? Made from the best apples of Kashmir was delicious. So we are separating these clauses with a comma. Now comma 3, how in other ways comma is being used, that we shall study. The comma is used to separate expressions like yes, no, oh, well. Yes, you may eat rice with curry. Well, I will see if I can come. Oh, I don't know that. It is used to separate expressions like to, however, of course, nevertheless, in fact, etc. In fact, I am quite unhappy with her result. Of course, you can borrow any of these books. This, in brief, is what he said. This, in brief, is what he said, right? It is used to separate question tags. Question tags मैंने पहले भी बताया. Question tags को separate करने के लिए we use a comma. And at the end, generally, there's a question mark. In interrogative marks, we have done it, right? So, you are going, aren't you? That is question mark. Aren't you को separate करने के लिए we use a comma. She is not interested. Is she? Again, question mark. And comma before that. It is used to separate a reported speech from the rest of the sentence. The manager said, we need only experienced people. Reported speech मतलब the manager is telling something, this is the direct speech. So उसको report करने के लिए we put it into inverted commas. I know nothing about these new machines, said she. Now comma 4. The comma is used to separate the parts of a date from one another or any words following the date. September 7, 2010. Finally, on August 15, 1947, India became free. Right? To separate the dates, day from the year, we use commas. It is used to separate the parts of an address. Address लिखने के लिए भी हम comma use करते हैं. For example, C2 Model Town, J780 Rajouri Garden. Right? Before that, we use a comma. So while while reading out this also we pause for a second because there is a comma there. It is often used in letters after the salutation and after the complimentary close. Salutation, my dear father, dear sir, we use commas after that. Yours faithfully, yours truly, yours sincerely. We put a comma after that. However, the comma in 2 and 3 is now very often omitted. So 2 and 3 is now very often omitted. आजकल नहीं लिखते हैं. In earlier times, they used to write commas. This was very much important to put commas over here. In a letter, the comma 5. Compare these two sentences. If you need my help, write to me. If clause in the beginning separated by a comma, right? If clause अगर होता है तो उसको comma से हम separate करते हैं. Write to me if you need my help. No comma. When I go to Chandigarh, I will call upon your uncle. When clause is in the beginning separated by a comma. When clause अगर होता है तो उसको भी separate करते हैं comma से. If clause होता है तो भी comma से separate करते हैं. I'll call upon your uncle when I go to Chandigarh. No comma is needed here, right? When clause अगर when या if से आप start करते हो because they are conjunctions, they are clauses, so they are separated by a comma. Study the use of comma in these sentences with but and for. He is intelligent but his health is rather delicate. All but Sushmita turned up for the wedding. I bought some vitamin tablets for the doctor had advised me to take them regularly. I bought some vitamin tablets for my sister. A non-defining relaxive clause is set off by a comma. A defining relative clause does not need a comma. He is going to Mumbai where he was being posted. He is going to the city where he has been posted. Just underline this. So write down all the points wherein comma is being put. Now let us do it. Exercise 2, quickly we'll solve it and we'll stop after that. Place commas where necessary in the following sentences. I did not know whether to paint a landscape, an animal or a self-portrait. Whether to paint a landscape, comma, an animal or a self-portrait. Then full stop, right? Then comes next. On Saturday, June 16th, the tourist party will arrive at Shimla, Himachal Pradesh. On Saturday, comma, June 16th, the tourist party, again June 16 के बाद भी comma आएगा, the tourist party will arrive at Shimla, comma, Himachal Pradesh. Yes, the program will be repeated tomorrow on star 1. Yes के बाद comma, the program will be repeated tomorrow on star 1. According to our information, the entire schedule is being revised. Right? So it should be according to our information, then comma, the entire schedule is being revised. If you had not been late for the interview, you would have got the job. If you had not been late, so it's a if clause, right? If clause को खत्म होने के बाद हम comma रखते हैं. So put a comma here. Late for the interview. So comma will be here, not here. After interview, you would have got the job. Before he left for his office, each morning he prayed to God. Before he left for his office, again before clause आया है, तो in the morning के बाद comma, he prayed to God. Well, the day is over at last. So well के बाद comma आएगा. Well, the day is over at last. His correct address is 79 Model Town, Panipat, Haryana. His correct address is 79 के बाद comma, Model Town के बाद comma, पानीपत के बाद comma, Haryana, then full stop. Which part of India receives maximum rainfall, ma'am? So here it should be which part of India receives maximum rainfall, comma, ma'am. Having finished the work, we decided to go for a movie. Having finished the work के बाद comma, we decided to go for a movie. I needed his advice, but I could not contact him anywhere. I needed his advice. Then comma, but I could not contact him anywhere. His company is rather dull and heavy, for he seldom talks. His company is rather dull and heavy, for he seldom talks. The result on the whole is quite encouraging. The result, comma, on the whole comma is quite encouraging. This is the strange insect we are talking about. This is the strange insect we are talking about. So there should be a comma after this ideally, but nahi rakhenge to bhi chalega. There should not be any comma. She said, I don't need anybody's help to do this work. She said, then comma, I don't need anybody's help to do this work. And apostrophe, yes, it is given. So it's not needed. Now next is the semicolon. Semicolon से हम लोग next time करेंगे. We stop here today. Write down all the important points that I've made you underline here. How the use of add, comma, full stop, and question mark, that is interrogation mark, is being done. So we stop here today. We will continue further next time.